Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable tracking in the ATM Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right, and at the tracking section just click on the white circle next to it if you want to enable it, and once it turned green the tracking is enabled, and then just click on the done button at the top of the page on the right. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.